welcome everyone. I hope everyone is doing well today. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I'm getting ready to do like an okra tomato with meat in it also, and I'll be putting it on. I'm getting ready to put it in the skillet. I have frozen okra, but I'm going to be using it as soon as the grease gets hot, just a little bit hot. I'm going to drop my onions and okra into the pan, and I just hold on a minute, and I'll be back in just a second as soon as it gets hot enough for me to put in a pan. Thank you. Okay, I'm putting my onions and tomatoes, onions and peppers in here right now. Or to start cooking this a little bit, let it brown, and then I will drop the okra in just a second. Okay, you all, I'm putting my okra in. I'm using one package of cut okra.
How many ounces?
It's 16 ounces. I have 16 ounces of frozen okra, which is 1 pound, I guess.
Okra, tomatoes, and sausage.
Yeah, that's called 1 pound of okra, frozen okra. Okay, what I'm pouring in there now was my ingredients: onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper, and complete. So I put it in. I've already measured out what I'm gonna put in. So I'm just pouring it in now. Okay. It's going to take it just a few minutes before it unthaws, because okra was pretty well frozen. After it kind of unthaws a little bit, then I'll be pouring in my tomato sauce and diced tomatoes, okay? So y'all just hold on and keep watching. I'm getting ready to pour my tomato sauce in.
This 1 can of tomato sauce, y'all. Thank you.
And the rest of my ingredients will go in also. Putting this in with a can of diced tomatoes, okay. Okay. 1 can of tomato sauce and the diced tomatoes. And 16 ounces of okra, frozen okra. Now put it back on medium for just a few more minutes, okay? I put just a little bit more onion powder in it. I'm going to let this cook just a little while. Then I'm going to put the sausage in it. Just a few minutes here.
She, yeah. She's pouring in turkey kielbasa sausage.
And it's so good all the time. Hey, you wonderful people. I am done with my okra tomatoes with the sausage. And this is just kind of like, it's kind of like a gumbo like, but it's not exactly a gumbo, but I always, because this is the way I like it for myself. So this is what I call it. But I don't, today I have a turkey sausage in it with the okra, tomatoes, sauce, and diced tomatoes, and also with all my ingredients in it as well. And peppers and onions, everything was cut up and made it in it. So now I want you all to know this. This is very good. I love it every day of the week. I could eat it every day. But I decided to do it today because I really had an appetite for it yesterday, but I didn't get around to making it. So I thank you all, and I want you all to try this. I know if you like okra, you will like it, but it is very healthy for you also. I've ate this for many years, only with cornbread and this, and pour it over my cornbread. So, all right, thank you so much. God bless. I love you all. To the subscribers, the new ones, the old ones, and supporters, I thank you very much with all my love. Okra, yes, very good. With the okra seasoned tomatoes and everything. So I'll see you in the next video or live session. Come on now. Goodbye. Love you all. May God bless.